Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the system so you can avoid a Microsoft account immediately. Disconnect Ethernet or turn off Wi-Fi, and make sure you have another admin account or password on hand. This prevents lockout. When the setup asks for a Microsoft account, choose the offline option or use the domain join instead or limited experience link. This may be subtle, so look for offline account or skip prompts. Once done, create a local username and a strong password to continue. Now you convert or create a local administrator so you control sign in options. Open Settings Accounts Family and Other Users, then add a user without a Microsoft account or use Control Panel user tools. For advanced control, run NetBlue or Lusumger. MSC to add the user to administrators and disable automatic Microsoft sign-in. Make sure to sign out of any Microsoft account in Settings and remove it from email and accounts. Doing this severs the link and keeps your PC local. Finish by tightening local-only settings. Set a local PIN or password, disable OneDrive sync, and turn off Cortana and Cloud Diagnostics so data stays on the machine. Review sign-in options and enable a recovery USB or local password reset disk for safety. If something goes wrong and you cannot sign in, boot to safe mode or use the Windows Recovery USB to enable the built-in administrator or restore a system image. That fallback often recovers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.